How to build a sentence in Polish. Building a sentence in Polish involves understanding its structure and grammatical rules. Here's a basic guide to help you. Number 1. Basic sentence structure. Word order. The typical order is subject, verb, object, but it can vary for emphasis. Example: Jan is a subject, czyta, verb, książkę, object. Jan czyta książkę. Jan reads a book. 2 additional elements. Adjectives usually come before nouns. Example: ładna książka, pretty book. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs and can be placed flexibly. Example: Jan szybko czyta. Jan reads quickly. Number 3. Conjugation and cases. Noun cases. Polish nouns change form based on the grammatical role. Nominative, accusative, genitive, etc. Verb conjugation. Verbs change based on tense, mood, and the subject's gender and number. Example sentences. Simple statement. Jestem studentem. I am a student. Question. Czy to jest twój pies? Is this your dog? Negative statement. Nie lubię kawy. I don't like coffee. Practice tips. Start with simple sentence and gradually increase complexity. Practice using different cases and verb forms.
Unlock the beauty of the Polish language with my 2 comprehensive books. Discover the top 50 most common Polish verbs. Perfect for beginners and advanced learners alike, these books are your essential guides to mastering Polish verbs. What's inside? 50 common Polish verbs. Each book features a unique selection of 50 essential verbs used in everyday conversations. Tense mastery. Learn verbs in present, past, and future tenses to enhance your language skills. Engaging exercises. Each verb comes with 3 interactive exercises, featuring 15 sentences per exercise for practicing correct conjugations. Answer sheets. Find answers conveniently at the end of each book to track your progress. Why choose these books? Structured learning. Clear organization helps you build a solid foundation in Polish grammar. Interactive practice. Exercises designed to reinforce your learning and boost your confidence in using Polish verbs. Perfect resource. Ideal for self-study or as a supplementary tool for language classes. Buy now. You can purchase Discover the top 50 most common Polish verbs on Amazon. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your Polish language skills. Available now. Grab your books and start speaking Polish with confidence.
Conclusion. Understanding the basics of sentence structure, components, and grammatical rules will help you build effective sentences in Polish.
If you enjoyed this video, you'll love my book, Polish Outlined Grammar for Beginners A0, A1. Designed specifically for beginners, it breaks complex concepts into easy-to-understand sections, making your journey into Polish fun and engaging. Why you'll love it: clear, structured explanations, helpful examples and exercises, perfect for self-study or as a classroom resource. Don't miss out on this essential guide. You can grab your copy on Amazon today and start your Polish language adventure.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.